Because you secret lover. Okay. What if I'm not even in the clip? Like, what if I'm like not in the frame? Like, so that's the thing. I just don't know. Okay. What's up, B2? Welcome back to my channel. So, I thought I'd do another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. Trying to eat breakfast right now. 1 egg and 1 bacon. I need to stop eating meat though. I'm gonna stop eating meat soon, but you say hi, mama? Baby girl is 5 months old today. Oh, you falling, girl? I need to throw some vitamin C up in here like a little bit. But last video I did, I was cleaning, and we're not doing that today. Just, you know, gonna watch me watch my daughter and work on my business. I gotta make some websites, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. But first, oh shoot, I take my pills, my iron pill, my elderberry. There's some vitamin C powder in here, just like a little bit, because it ain't that much water in here, actually. I actually think that's enough for now. Now mix this up. I'm gonna take my pills after I eat. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, y'all, so those are my vitamins I be taking every morning. But let me show you guys my website. I thought I'd do a voiceover. Got Busybody right there next to me and right here on my voiceover. You need a toy. Okay, so my website, guys, is angelswhohustle.com. I'm gonna show y'all what's on my website and what do I sell. I'm doing a voiceover because her cartoons are in the back. Like, I'm not sure if I'll get like copyright. But yeah, so if you need ambassadors, brand ambassadors for your business, I have a template you can use. Brand ambassador program script and details. I sell vendors lists, like women's clothes, jewelry, and I do make pre-made stores. So like a pre-made boutique, no shipping or inventory required. It's called drop shipping. So these are all the pre-made drop shipping stores I made myself. Usually comes with like a logo, a banner, stuff like that. I got like about how many stores right now for sale? Like what? Like about 10, 15, 11 stores, I believe. I don't know. I make a lot of stores. Like I make a lot of them. But yeah, so my ambassador details and scripts is included when you buy a store from me. So yeah, check the description down below for that. Everything will be linked down below in the description.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So I'm supposed to be reviewing, sorry, I'm making a mess, vendors and stuff. So I'm reviewing more name necklaces. I gotta open that, wear that. And then I also got some shoes over here. These are like slides. They're like the Yeezys. They're pink though, so I'll unbox that. But yeah, I'm working on my laptops. Trying to put this little girl to sleep. You ready for nap time? Need to go to sleep, girl. I'm not even gonna cap for y'all. Like, boy, I ain't gonna cap. I'm freaking tired. Like, I'm freaking tired. She didn't really sleep that good. She woke up at 5 to eat, and then she woke up at 8, like, for the rest of the morning today. She be tossing and turning like my baby. Her name is Melody. If you don't know, say hi, mama. She's 5 months old. Her name is Melody. She be tossing and turning throughout the night. Like, she just hit 5 months today, and like, I don't know when baby sleep through the night, but I kind of need a nap. I'm not gonna lie. When you gonna take a nap so we can take one together? Even if it's 30 minutes, like, I need something. I'm about to get a Red Bull or something. I don't know. I feel so tired, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to create another website for my business, Angels Who Hustle. And I think I'm either gonna create like a hot tool store or a sleepwear store. Probably hot tools with like the headbands and bonnets and stuff. So yeah, like I said, check the description for the stores I make and built myself, pre-made stores. Usually they come with logos, sometimes banners. Just read the description, it'll tell you, but yeah. Okay, so I had to do a voiceover because her music was once again playing in the background. But yeah, I usually put my baby in this when I'm about to cook, or a carrier. But yeah, I'm about to make some frozen pizza because I don't have time to cook, and making frozen food is better. Like, I actually need to re-up. But I got some pizza from Sprouts, frozen pizza. So that's what you're gonna see in the next clip. It was pretty good. I'm gonna show y'all the two kinds I got. It's like flatbread pizza. So Sprouts, they got like healthy food. So I advise everybody to go to the farmer's market and get healthy food. But yeah, in the next clip you're gonna see how it looked, how it came out. But yeah, it was pretty good. Very bomb. Okay, so let's say that you wanted to start an online boutique and you didn't have the money for the inventory. You don't want to handle the shipping. That's when you should do drop shipping. So I make pre-made online boutiques as well. I'll throw that on the side. So it comes with the logo, the banner, and then inventory, and your vendor. Drop this. You know what? Your vendor will ship the items for you. So if anybody's interested in pre-made stores, dropshipping stores, boutiques, you can click the link down below in the description, and all the information will be linked there. I have different stores. You can check out which ones I got. And yeah, that's pretty much my business, angelswhohustle.com. Oh my God, I just recorded a whole clip and got nothing. So yeah, I was trying to show y'all the pre-made websites I made. I just want to cry right now. Like, how did that even happen? So I'm gonna show y'all one of the pre-made websites I made today. Like I said, you can start your business with no shipping or inventory. This is one of the stores I made. I'll throw the screen recording on the side. It's like a hair accessory store, the bonnets and whatnot. Comes with the logo. So yeah, I'll link that down below. If you want to see the other pre-made stores, those are down below as well. I'm pretty tired. This is how my life goes, day in the life of a stay-at-home mom with a fussy baby named Melody Marie Beasley. Mwah. You're so cute. Yeah, so I'm about to give her a nap. I really just recorded the end of this ending clip, and it didn't, it was recording the wrong way. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Follow me on Instagram at mama.terry.lee. Hope y'all have a great day. Stay in my vlog. And thanks for watching. Peace. You say bye-bye? You say bye-bye to camera?